So I know I've said on other occasions that I would legalize all the hallucinogens and cannabis. Well, all the psychedelics and cannabis, and I suppose cannabis is a psychedelic also. Or taken in certain preparations, it has psychedelic properties. Um, I would legalize all the naturally occurring psychedelics. I don't think the molecule LSD actually occurs in nature, does it? It's I think what occurs in nature is lysergic acid, or is it lysergic acid amide, i.e. LSA, not LSD? And LSD is lysergic acid diethylamide, no? And yeah, that's a synthetic compound. Hence, I wouldn't legalize that. And there's been like an uptick in research um, surrounding the benefit, well, the so-called benefits of LSD in the treatment of mental health conditions. So I'm not certain I would advocate LSD for that purpose at all. And this was big in the 50s as well, and to some extent in the 60s. And it sort of culminated in the irresponsible research of Timothy Leary and that whole kind of set of people, you know, taking these insane doses of LSD and giving it to all and sundry and whoever, you know, just for whatever reason, you know, tune in, drop out, etc. That stuff. I don't think that's a particularly healthy course of life to lead, necessarily, having led it myself, actually. No, I don't think, yeah, that's necessary. And LSD carries with it one acute danger, which is that it may lead to flashbacks. As if you're driving a car and you have an LSD flashback. This is why I actually wouldn't take LSD. I was curious about it for a little while, but I mean, no, I wouldn't take it because of flashbacks. So, I mean, yeah, if you promote that as a treatment for mental health conditions, I don't think you're on a hiding to a very good place, because everyone you treat would no longer be able to drive after having had LSD. And they'd be having flashbacks, and it wouldn't be a good thing. So, I mean, no, I'd keep LSD illegal. I think I promote psilocybin and DMT and salvia and cannabis, really. Those hallucinogens, possibly mescaline. You know, all of those are non-addictive as far as I understand it. Well, they are non-addictive. And LSD is not addictive either, but none of the others cause flashbacks. So yes, I wouldn't advocate legal LSD.